Welcome back to Teaching Videos, guys, where I bring you useful tech videos almost every week. And in this video we are taking a look at Simpex LED ring light. So you can see we have it with this tripod as well. So you can see this tripod is from Simpex as well, and you have multiple height adjustments right here. So this is your 18 inches LED ring light, and you can see this white diffuser right here. So let me just quickly show you this ring light from the back as well. So you can see the Simpex branding right here, and you can see the model number is 522, and you have this switch to turn this on and off, and you have this AC power supply right here, this wire. So if you don't have the AC power supply, you can use the batteries right here to just use this ring light. With the batteries, you have this two section right here. You can use batteries to power this ring light as well, and you can see that you have these two knobs right here, and you can change the color of this ring light from 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin, and you can also use this knob to adjust the brightness of this LED ring light. So you can see you have this mobile mounting solution as well right here, and you can see a couple of mounts as well, so you can mount your cameras or anything else that you just want to mount on this ring light. So this is what ring light looks like when it's mounted on this tripod. And let me just quickly show you guys the brightness of this ring light. So let me just quickly turn this on, and I will be using the AC power supply to give this power. So let me just turn this on, and right now, as you can see, this is on the dim, and I am slowly and gradually increasing the brightness of this ring light, and you can see how bright this actually is, and it is more than enough, and this is giving you enough brightness so that you won't be having any kind of issues. And let me just quickly show you guys this knob as well, and I am changing the color of this ring light, and you can see the color of the light is changing from white to yellow, and it is also bright in different colors. So this is pretty much it for this ring light by Simpex, and this is a really great option for YouTubers or any other video creation. So this is one of the best options right here, and it is also one of the cheapest as well, and you can find the link in the description to buy this ring light as well. So I hope you really like this quick walkthrough of this Simpex LED ring light, which is 18 inches in size, and I hope that you really like this video. And if you did, give this video a big thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will be catching you in the very next one, guys. Till then, take care.